Hey guys, just a quick video today. I get a lot of questions of people still asking me, how do I train my back at home if I have no pull-up bar and no dumbbells? Well, today I want to show you one of my most favorite exercises, and this is what I call the towel pull-up. And so you basically just throw your towel over a beam like I have here, or a tree or anything, and then you grip the ends and you basically do a pull-up. And what makes this exercise really great is not just that it hits your back, but it also helps you increase your grip strength. So there you go, guys. If you don't have any pull-up bars or dumbbells or anything and when I hit your back, try this exercise over the weekend and let me know in the comments box how you get on. As always, click on that like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.